Want to share YouTube TV? Set it up in minutes. Hey there, YouTube TV users. If you're looking to get more out of your subscription by sharing it with loved ones, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through how to share your YouTube TV account quickly and easily. One of the best features YouTube TV offers is family sharing. It lets up to 6 people use the same subscription while enjoying their own personalized experience. Everyone gets their own recommendations, their own DVR recordings, and their own profile, all under one plan. To set things up, start by logging into your YouTube TV account on a desktop browser. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then head into Settings. From there, you'll find the option for Family Sharing. Before we go further, if you're enjoying this guide, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. And here's a quick question for you. Who is the first person you'd invite to your YouTube TV group? Once you're in the family sharing section, it's time to create your group. As the primary account holder, you'll take on the role of family manager. That means you're in charge of sending and managing invitations. Just click Create Family Group and start entering the email addresses of the people you want to add. Make sure they're Google accounts, since that's required to join the group. Each invitee will receive an email with simple instructions on how to accept and join. Once they do, they'll be able to log in with their own credentials and start watching right away. The great thing is that each person's preferences and activity are totally separate. No one else's watch history or DVR settings will interfere with yours. Keep in mind that YouTube TV requires all members of a family group to live in the same household. Your home location is used to verify this and make sure the setup complies with licensing agreements. Using family sharing is a smart way to make your subscription go further. Whether it's for your partner, kids, or roommates, everyone gets a smooth, tailored experience, and you only need one account. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you can set up YouTube TV for the whole household. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on making the most of your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the shows with your favorite people.